Hi guys, I just received my Boxy charm for August 2020 and I have taken the items out of the box and yeah, I received this like last week. I'm just getting to the video this week and like I said, this is for August 2020 and I paid $25 each month, a monthly price for the Boxy Charm box. And yeah, let's get started. The card that comes in there says Boxy Charm Spa Glam. It says spa glamping, sunbathing, yoga, slumber. Then the back has the list of the 5 products that I received and the prices, which I will let you know the price. And again, this is what it looks like in the front. Now I'm going to show you the products that I received. The first one is called Teddy Boy, and it says Butter London, and this is an eyeshadow palette. And let me just open it to show you what I got. And these are the shades of the eyeshadow, and the first one says Freddie, Simon, Mick, Francis, Billy, Nigel, Archie, Graham, RuPaul. And I like the Francis and the Billy and the Graham and the Freddie. Those are really nice. I like the shimmery ones the most. And on the other side, it has the mirror. But yeah, can't show you everything there, but this is what it looks like. And again, this is the front. And for this, it is, for this eyeshadow palette, it's $28. And the next thing that I received is the Morphe. And it says I got this, and these are eye brushes. And I'm just gonna tell you the list of the, let me just take them out and show you the list of the the eyeshadow brushes. Okay, now this one is an angle liner brush. This is a Tamper Mini blender brush. This is a Pro Firm blending crease brush. And this one is an oval, it says shadow brush. So these are all of the brushes that came in there. This is really nice. I like this. And this is these brush set is $12. Then the next item that I received, it says here Milk Makeup, and it's a Kush Fiber Brow Gel, and just showing you what it looks like. And it's by Milk Makeup. Sorry about this. I like to have this stuff stay still, but sometimes the things move when they shouldn't. And this brow milk makeup is $20. And then the next item, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it says Realher. And it's a definer brow pencil. And this is $16. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like, because the top comes off on both ends. So this one is the liner. It's the pencil. And this side is the brush for the eyebrows. And again, this is it. And this is $16. And then the last but not least, it is the Glamglow. It's Hollywood, California Moisturetrip Omega Rich Moisturizer. And it says here that this has hyaluronic acid, proved to hydrate all day and provides instant relief from skin stress. So yeah. And this is $54. This looked like yeah, this is pretty big. And it is heavy. So yeah, these are all the items that I received in my Boxy charm for August 2020. And I just want to thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, or please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And thanks again for watching. And you'll see my next Boxy charm next month. Bye.